Let's be real for a second. For millions of Americans, one paycheck just isn't enough anymore. Rent is higher, groceries cost more, insurance, utilities, and debt take a bigger bite out of every check. So in 2026, more people are asking a serious question. Can a side hustle actually replace a full-time salary? The answer is yes, but not the way social media makes it sound. This isn't about getting rich overnight. It's not about quitting your job in 30 days. And it's definitely not about scams. These are 5 realistic side hustles Americans are using to slowly and sustainably replace a full-time income. First, skill-based freelancing. Selling a skill is still one of the most reliable ways to make money. Writing, graphic design, video editing, social media management, web development, data work, or virtual assistants. AI didn't kill freelancing, it changed it. Businesses still need people who can think clearly, communicate well, and manage tools and systems. A freelancer charging $40 to $60 an hour, even part-time, can realistically earn $4,000 to $6,000 a month. Specialists earn more than generalists. Second, digital products and online education. People are willing to pay for practical solutions. Budgeting templates, career guides, planners, systems, and step-by-step courses. You don't need a massive audience. You just need to solve a real problem. One simple product selling a few times a day can grow into a full-time income over time. Third, local service businesses. This one isn't flashy, but it works. Cleaning services, lawn care, pressure washing, handyman work, or mobile car detailing. These jobs can't be replaced by AI. Demand stays steady, even when the economy slows down. Many people start by doing the work themselves, then hire help, and eventually move into managing instead of working every job. Fourth, content and ad-based income. YouTube, podcasts, blogs, and newsletters still work in 2026, but only if you focus on value, not going viral. Creators who explain real problems and serve a clear audience can build income from ads, affiliate links, and digital products. It takes time, but it scales in ways most jobs don't. And finally, high-income skills and remote work. Instead of working more hours, some Americans increase what their time is worth. Skills like tech sales, data analysis, marketing automation, design, or cybersecurity. Just a few clients or contracts can replace a full-time paycheck. Here's the reality. Most side hustles fail because people quit too soon or expect instant results. Replacing a salary usually takes months, sometimes years. But the reward is control. And in 2026, control matters more than ever. The real question isn't which side hustle makes money the fastest. It's which one fits your life, your skills, and your risk tolerance. If you start today and stay consistent, replacing your salary is possible.